To edit a Instagram post after posting. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can edit your post on Instagram. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your profile where all of your posts are. And now in order to edit the post, just select the post you want to edit. Let's say I want to select this one with the flower. But before I show you how to edit the post, make sure to head down below and hit like on the video, subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on any new videos. Alright, so to edit your post, you just have to tap on the three dots at the top right and you will see an edit option right here. Just tap on it. Now you can edit your text and make it whatever you want. After you're done editing, you can edit the alternative text as well. So it will, as you can see, the alt text describes your photo for people with visual impairment. So the people who cannot see properly, they will be able to read out what your post is about. You can add that as well. And if you want to tag people, you can tap wherever you want and add their name. So once you do that, you should be able to click on this and your post will be edited. And that's how you edit and post on Instagram. If you found it helpful, please subscribe to the channel. I'll see you on the next one.